Hello, my name is Priscilla and this is my dog Jolie. About 8 weeks ago, Jolie was diagnosed with kidney disease and her health was rapidly on the decline. She lost 40% of her body weight just in 1 week, going from 5 pounds to 3 pounds. I was sure that it was going to be the end. I started working with a veterinarian who's also a canine nutritionist in hopes to find an answer to the disease. Unfortunately, there is no cure for the disease, but there is a way to regulate it and stabilize it if you catch it early enough. Jolie's kidney disease was at stage 3, and there are 5 stages. This video is meant to show you how to be comfortable in giving the injections of the saline solution in the scruff of their neck. There's some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way to make the dog as comfortable as possible, explanations of the slanted needle, the drip line, and how to do all of it. I hope this video really helps you, and I hope your dog starts feeling better soon. Thank you for watching.
Shown here are all the items that you will need for the subcutaneous injections. This is a saline bag that you can either get from your vet or with vet approval from an online supplier. To my right, you see the needles. Your vet will let you know what size needle you need for your pet. These are 20 gauge needles. They come with a slanted tip and are extremely sharp. Please use caution when using these needles. Below that, you can see that there is a line. This line is going to be inserted into the saline bag. That green piece right there pops off and you would stick that white plastic piece within the bag. That is going to draw the fluid through the line. This blue piece is the stopper. Up means you open the line and down means you secure the line. This will prevent fluid from overflowing when you are swapping out the needles. Once you put in the needle, take extreme caution to not cut yourself, which it's very easy to do. There's a locking mechanism in place that you can secure the needle to the line. Each bag is separated by 100 milliliter lines. My dog currently needs 50 milliliters per day, so I separate that with a Sharpie marker. Make sure you have a nice comfortable area and you are able to hang the line. I find that hanging the line from a hanger works best because you can see it and it creates enough elevation to have the fluid flow down nicely, as shown here. Make your dog comfortable. Mine likes to lay on my legs where it's warm before the injection. You're going to see that now I'm piercing my thumb finger and my forefinger together to find the tent in her scruff. I'm just picking up her scruff and identifying where there's a hole between the 2 points where my fingers meet. Just grab her skin and see how I'm pressing my finger. That is going to emulate what I do with the needle. Now, once you've identified that point, you're going to use a new needle. Now, remember, it's a new needle each time, and you're going to, again, be very careful when taking the tip off because the needle is extremely sharp and slanted, and it's very easy to cut yourself. Again, using the your thumb finger and your forefinger, you're going to press the scruff together and insert the needle slowly. As you can see, the needle is in. And once that's done, you're going to open the line. Down means open, up means close. Once the line is open, the fluid will start to flow into the scruff of her neck. You want to make this process as comfortable as possible. So while you raise the line up to increase flow, make sure to scratch the back of her neck so she feels safe and comfortable. Now, it's important to look and pay attention to the line. If it's dripping down like this, that's a good sign. There are some times that the needle is pressed too far in and it might be hitting a muscle and the water will stop, as shown here. If that's the case, just very carefully move the needle back a little bit within the skin until the line starts dripping like this again. Of course, we always want to reward good behavior with a treat. Make sure you let her know that she was a good girl, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.